Hello, friends, and welcome to 2024. We did it. We got through another year. I'm Saralee Hofrichter, and I'm really excited to be here today to bring you my new video series for this year, which is Crystal Tarot. Each month, I will pick a card that will help us navigate through the energy of that month and read the message that the crystal that corresponds with that card has for us and will help us on our journey. If you've been following me for the past few months or longer, you have heard that I have been in the process of birthing a new Crystal Tarot deck and kit. There's been a few hiccups along the way, but we are getting closer and closer. Actually, we'll be going to print in the next few days. So I'm really, really thrilled to be bringing this out into the light and to be sharing it with you each month. So for this month, I pulled two cards. I pulled one card asking about the overarching energy that we're going to be dealing with for 2024. And then I pulled another card to address the energy for January. So the first card that I pulled, the overarching energy for 2024, is 7 Earth. And in a traditional tarot, this would be 7 discs. I've converted the suits to the elements. And the message is a fearful pass-through. And the crystal that wants to help us is Snowflake Obsidian. So one might think, upon looking at this card, that it's a negative card for the year coming up, a negative energy, but it really isn't. It speaks to that it may be a bit of a roller coaster ride this year with some highs and some lows, but with success comes the fear of failure. And when you get into those tough spots, just to remember that it's just a pass through. It's not earth shattering. It's not going to be a forever thing. And to remember to breathe through those moments. That's the energy that I pick up for this year. And I want to read to you the message of Snowflake Obsidian because she could probably speak much better than I to this. So here's Snowflake Obsidian, and here's her message for the year. Hi, we are spotted like a leopard and spot on with our sight. We have great ability to look into the future to help bring about the highest outcome. You see, we are seekers of the highest truth of who you are and what you can offer. You are capable of so much more than you are aware of. Be diligent and courageous on your journey. We want to help bring this vision of the highest version of you to you. So what a great message for the year, to bring your highest self to all that you do and breathe through those tricky moments. Okay, that was the energy of the year. Now, the energy that we're going to be dealing with for the month of January, I pulled 2 air, which again, in traditional deck, this would be two of swords. And its message is inspired peace. Celestite is the crystal that wants to help us. So when I think about this card for the energy of January, I think that perhaps you have an idea. And it's a great time to get quiet this month and think about this idea and have an understanding of it and a peacefulness around it and a calmness around it. And know that this idea of yours was given to you for a purpose. There's an acceptance of the idea and a way that you can incorporate it into your life. Embrace it. But first you need to get quiet with it. And that's a beautiful message for this month, inspired peace. And the crystal that wants to help us with that is celestite. Such a beautiful crystal. And her message for the month of January is, I am filled with light that I want to share with you. If you let me, I like to spread it wherever I go. To receive it, you must open your heart and trust. Will you allow me and the light in? The decision is yours. I can confidently promise you that you won't be disappointed if you do. Don't worry, I will surround you gently and lovingly, like a soft breeze. You are in control of the rest. How beautiful. If you have celestite, I invite you to get some and sit with it this month. Let it inspire you. Let it bring you that peace and calmness. And embrace it, receive it. Oh, I wish you so much joy and love and peace this month and always. Be well, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Sending you peace. Bye for now.